Hi, I'm Matthew. Just kidding, it's me. I'm gonna be doing a burping contest. That's not usual for a girl to do, but yeah. Um, so whatever. Yeah, fix it. Um, I'm gonna be doing a burping contest just made up. It's gonna see how big I can burp. So let me chug down some soda. I just chugged down 2 bottles of orange soda so I could show my friend how much I can burp. And she couldn't stop giggling and she peed her pants in front of me. So that was weird. But we all do weird things, don't we? Now I'm gonna go get a Coke box. Okay, I'm back. Here's the bottle of soda. So the soda comes out of my nose. This is your fault, usually. Just I've done this before, so I'm like a tomboy, so whatever. Okay. No, no. I think this is Coca-Cola. Yeah, Coca-Cola. I think one's coming. I'm really sorry for the climate. It's just not a big burger. I might do it with my friend next time, for the burping contest things that I do. So yeah. I'm sorry, this is a noise around. I gotta chug it. I don't know why it's seven. I'll just put some milk in my nose. Now I'm starting. Oh yeah. If I get yelled at or they do, I'll just have to redo the video and crap. Here comes another one. This one's gonna be different. Yesterday, birthday Macy's. I don't know why I'm having such a hard time birthday. I'm not perfect. If you hear a big beep sound, that's probably when you have to restart and stuff. So, ooh. Looks like I have to restart. Wait, that didn't work. I have to save that. Oh my god.